Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Face ID is disabled issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing when you're having this is make sure that you do not have anything covering your Face ID sensor, which are up top here, the camera that uses Face ID. Sometimes if you have a screen protector that's broken or damaged, it can interfere with it, or if you recently put one on. Same with the case, if it's covering it or it's magnetic or getting in the way, it's going to go ahead and disable Face ID. Next thing you also wanted to take it is a microfiber cloth and just simply clean it to make sure there's no dust, dirt, or lint that may be also interfering with the camera, causing it to be disabled. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you're going to start doing is going to your setting and take a look at the Face ID and passcode itself. Now you're going to enter your current passcode to get. And once you're in the Face ID and passcode setting, a couple things you want to check out is that these are actually enabled if you're looking to use it, for example, iPhone unlocking, iTunes, your payments, and autofill. Sometimes if these are accidentally turned off, it's not going to work for that specific need. And then if you go down a little bit further, you're going to see a couple things. But another thing you can do if you're finding it still disabled is just resetting it. What you're doing by resetting it is basically you're setting it up again. So you want to go ahead and set up your Face ID by following this step. That ensures that the Face ID hasn't any issues with it that needs to be resolved. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is a simple force restart. So for this, you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button just like this. And you're going to hold until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So here, as you can see here, we're waiting, and then we're going to see Apple logo reappear, and we'll let go. This is known as a force restart. It will not delete any of your data. Really important troubleshooting step to do. And if it doesn't work the very first time for you, go ahead and try it. Sometimes it takes a couple tries to get the hang of this. Now we're going to wait for the phone to turn back on, and once it turns back on, another thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is update your phone software. So in your setting, you're going to start by going there into general and then software update, and check if there is a software update. If there is, you want to go ahead and update the phone to that version. Sometime a previous update might have to be causing issues. In that case, it's good to just have that update, fix the bug or any issues with it. Now, if you're still finding, even after updating, you're having issues with it, next thing to do is in your setting, you're going to go to general, and then scroll down, there's a transfer reset iPhone. You're going to click on reset, and we're going to reset all settings. Now, when you click on reset all settings, it's just resetting the settings themselves, but a really important step to do with it. This will not delete your data like photos, videos, apps, or anything like that. Just resetting those settings that could be impacting Face ID getting disabled. So those are going to be the fixes. And if for some reason this isn't fixing it, it could be possibly the camera is damaged or broken. In that case, it would be a hardware issue. But in any case, I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.